Good morning. Today I am making Chewy fudge crunch. It's a recipe I made up myself, and I'm using a fudge recipe from my mom, and I'm just kind of putting it all together as a tribute to my mother. And so anyway, what you do first, on the measurements of my fudge, I will give you a disclosure of how much everything is after I'm finished. I will tell you exactly how much to put in and everything. So this is what it looks like. I'm mixing up the fudge right now, and I've got sugar and milk and butter in there and chocolate right now, and it's Hershey's chocolate. And so I'm gonna let that cook for a little while until all that butter's melted and it starts to boil, and then I'll come back to you. Oh, and by the way, I am putting pecans in it. That's what gives it the crunch. So if your family member is allergic to pecans, maybe you should think of an alternative, of what you can put in there. And it doesn't even have to have the crunch if you don't, you don't want your child to have that. So, be creative. And that's what I do. I'm creative. I'm very creative. Yes, my husband. So anyway, I'm just going to stir this until it gets all done and it starts bubbling and everything. And like I said, as soon as the video is all over with, then I will tell you how much of each one of the ingredients I have in it. I will be adding salt and vanilla in this once it starts to boil, but I have to wait for it to boil. And there is another step after it boils that I will turn the video back on so that you can see that also. Okay? All right, so I'll be right back.